Doch?
Der letztes Mal, er hat das so richtig schön gedreht und dann hat er bis 5 gezählt, aber ganz langsam. 1, 2, 3.
Lain gud ako mo, dali lang. Das war schon schnell. Dilak gani ko. Hi everyone, this is Rothasa of RJ Felipe, and today it's Kevin's birthday and we spontaneously planned to have a road trip going to Luxembourg. So we just had our test from COVID-19 and it's so nice because it's already summer. The sun is up and today's weather is really good. So that's it guys, I'm so excited. Let's go to Luxembourg. So guys, we are right now here in Luxembourg, and the good thing about here in Luxembourg is that the train or the tram is free. Having our late lunch and I'm here with Kevin, the birthday boy. Happy birthday. Hello. Because they ordered coffee, and the good news is that all shops are open. I got some macarons and then eclair. Cheers! This is just a normal day here. From our place, it's just 1 hour away, and yeah, everything seems to be normal here except that people are still wearing a mask and everything is open. That is our Luxembourg tour, and today we'll go back to Germany. So I hope you have a great time, and just click like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great evening. Bye bye.
If I could take pick you up and boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream.